first licensed farmhouse of Gurgaon, which has been proposed by one of the developers. It's the first time in Gurgaon that first licensed farmhouse community is getting launched. This is just 4.4 kilometers from Dwarka Expressway. It's within Gurgaon, and this is around 108 acres of overall farmhouse community, out of which 25 acres of license which the developer has applied. उन्होंने अपने जितने भी prerequisites होते हैं फार्म हाउस की एप्लीकेशन अप्लाई करने के लिए सारे अचीव कर लिए, in which 25 acres has to be a minimum area when you are applying for a farmland. Internal roads have to be 33 feet. You need to have the clubhouse. You need to have other amenities to support the farmhouse policy. So this developer has done everything to attain the license. Though the license have been applied right now and they will get the license shortly. It has a very strong social infrastructure. अगर मैं schools, hospitals, मॉल्स की बात करूं तो यहाँ से 10 मिनट की ड्राइव पे तीनों चीजें मिल जाती हैं एकदम पास। वर्ल्ड ट्रेड हब भी आ रहा है। एयरपोर्ट यहाँ से 35 मिनट्स की ड्राइव पे होगा एंड अराउंड 45 मिनट्स की ड्राइव पे साइबर सिटी। सो दिस इज द की डेवलपमेंट वेयर एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेवलपर व्हिच हैज ऑलरेडी वर्कड एंड डिलीवर्ड लॉट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स इज कमिंग अप विद सच एन एक्सक्लूसिव product. अगर मैं और एलिमेंट्स की इसकी बात करूं, so it's around 108 acres of development, 54 exclusive farmhouses. The phase 1 is going to be around 25 acres. Prerequisites have been achieved by the developer. The minimum farmhouse is around 1 acre. As per the policy, 1 acre से नीचे नहीं हो सकता, तो 1 acre and 1 acre के ऊपर के ये farm houses हैं. They are going to have 2 clubhouses and shopping amenities within this community, and the registration in terms that you buy it, you make the payment to the developer and you can go for the registration right away of this property. Now coming on to the price point, so in comparison to the other farmhouses which are there in NCR or outside NCR, those are normally ranging from 5 crores going upwards of around 25 to 30 crores. But those are not licensed farmhouses. Those are the farmhouses which has been converted from agri to the farmhouse land by attaining a CLU. CLU क्या होता है? CLU आप individual farmhouses पे attain करते हैं. The price point right now is 5.5 crores, wherein the developer has applied for license. एक बार जब license आ जाएगा, the rates of these farmhouses are going to range from around 15 crores to 20 crores. Payment plan is easy. The payment has to be done in 6 months.